Hi, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Olive from Super Monsters. So grab your marker and follow along with me. First I'm going to draw a nose right here in the middle of the page. And make it sort of a big nose. And then we're going to start with the eyes. Two curvy horizontal lines. And then we're going to make it nice and round on top. Then within the eyes, we're going to draw pupils and irises, and of course light reflections, top and bottom. Then right here above the eyes, and on the other side as well, eyelashes, nice and square. Let's color the pupils and the eyelashes in. Now right below the nose we're going to draw a little smile, and we're going to draw her mouth open, and then two teeth. Two front teeth with a little bit of a gap in between. Now here on the side of her eyes, just below her eyebrows or her eyelashes, I'm going to draw two hooks, and then from here I'm going to draw a round line and I'm going to connect it. And on this side let's do the same thing, and we're going to connect it. Then right above there I'm going to draw an ear. I'm going to draw two pointy ears going out, and then we're going to make a nice curve and bring it back, and about the same height as the nose. Here we go. And you can maybe just draw a little the inside of the ear. There we go. Then we're going to do the jawline. Nice jawline, and then from there we're going to draw the neck as well. Right above the eyes we're going to draw the eyebrows. Now these eyebrows is thick, and now we can draw the hair. Now I'm going to draw a few little, I'm going to start here right above the, I'm going to draw a circle, and on this side I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to draw another circle, so that's going to be the hair, and then from the circle you're going to connect it, and from the circle connect it back to the circle, and right here you're going to do the same thing like this, and here it's going to touch, and there it's going to go over and it's going to touch again. And now we can make another circle, and we can just connect the hair. And now for the top, you're going to draw two ponytails. There's one, and then from here I'm going to draw another one. We're going to make a right curve and bring it back to the ear, and on this side we're going to do the same thing, a curve, bring it back to the ear, and then there's a little elastic band or something that ties her hair in these two beautiful ponytails. On this side I'm going to draw pieces of hair, so there we go, and maybe here on top there's another huge piece, and maybe there's another piece sticking out there as well. Let's do the same for the other side. We'll do, and maybe let's do a huge piece coming like this as well, and a smaller piece sticking out here at the back. Now we can make a few little lines to show her hair, and on this side let's do the same thing. There we go. Now we're going to do the torso. What I do normally, I draw a sort of a box shape. Keep it nice and simple. And right here on the top, bring it back. So we're going to draw a box shape like that. And right here at the box shape, I'm just going to draw 3 buttons on both sides, where her arm's going to be. And then from here I'm going to draw the dress. I'm going to draw a nice line out, make it nicely curved. I'll bring that back. Now make it curvy all the way around. Just make a curve, go a bit fast, and then you can connect the dress there as well. Then there's a dress underneath, a smaller dress, and you can do sort of this curvy line, and just above there you can do another curvy line, just to give it a bit of interest. And now that we have the dress, we can actually draw the arms. So we're going to start with the shoulder, maybe make a little, because she has big arms, she's a troll. So let's see, there we go, 2 arms and 2 little balls that will indicate her hands. There we go, perfect. And now for the legs. Now she's going to have very wide legs. She's a troll after all, so we're going to draw a kneecap, and you're going to sort of bring your line down, and then right here you can draw a little hook. That's your kneecap. The calf, another calf, there we go. And then from here we're going to do the same thing, a nice curvy calf, and another one there as well. And now I'm going to draw the toes. Oh, we forgot, just a collar as well. Just finish up with the collar there as well. Now you're going to draw the toes, so you're going to draw 1, 2, 3, 4 toes like this. And on this side let's do the same thing, 1, 2, 3, 4 toes like this. And look, I'm taking it back and I make it nice and round at the back, nice and round at the back. There we go. And maybe we can draw a little toenail there and another toenail there, smaller toenail, smaller and smaller. We do the same on this side as well. And there we go. Now you can look at my picture and you can try to match the colors, and I'm sure all of it's going to look great. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment if you want me to draw something else. And I'll see you soon. Bye bye.